how to get back reels to profile grid on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can get back reels to profile grid on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get back reels to profile grid on Instagram, let's say the issue over here is very simple. If I open up Instagram and then I come to my profile page, here I have the reel on my profile grid and I also have the reel on this specific grid. But let's say I just happen to remove this from here. I just tap on this option, tap the three dots option here, and then I just select remove from profile grid. What I did over here is that I happen to remove this reel from my profile grid and now it only shows up on my reels tab. But I want to get this back from my reels tab also back to my profile grid. So how do I do this? Well, it is very simple to get back the reels to profile grid. For this, all you have to do is just come to this reels tab here and then just select that reel that you want to get back to your profile grid. Then tap the three dots option here. Scroll down, here you'll find this option called delete. All you have to do is just tap on delete option, tap on delete. Now don't worry, because you're not going to lose your likes, comments and so on. Let me explain it to you. Once you've deleted the reel, we're going to restore it from Instagram. And to do that, what we want to do is first of all just come to the profile page again, tap the three lines option from the top right, go to your activity. Once you go to your activity, look for the option called recently deleted option. So you might just want to go ahead and look for recently deleted, as you can find it here. Tap on it and here you'll be able to find the reel that we deleted. What we want to do is select that reel here, tap the three dots option, be careful, and then here you have to select restore, tap on restore, tap on restore reel. Now the magic over here is that when we restore our reel right over here, so let me just go ahead and confirm my email right over here, as in this case it says me too. I'm just going to tap on next. Now once I've confirmed my information, the magic over here is that when I restore my reels, what happens is that it gets restored to my this specific reels tab, right? But it also gets restored to our main profile grid. If it doesn't work out, just try to refresh it. If it doesn't work, again just try to tap the three lines option, go to your activity, go to recently deleted, tap on that reel, and then just go ahead and tap on the three dots, tap on restore again. Now when you refresh it this time, just refresh it, tap on view on profile. You can see it has been added back into our profile grid and it is also back into our reels tab as well. So the thing over here is that you just want to delete and then restore. When you restore it, it will come back to your main profile grid as well. And this way you can go ahead and then restore reels back to your profile grid. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.